Finding elements for mobile automation is often slow and frustrating. With Appium, you typically rely on Appium Inspector, opening your app, clicking each element, and checking the locator values like Accessibility ID, XPath, Content Description, or Resource ID. It's a manual process, and you repeat it for every single element. In this video, I show how to use the Appium MCP Server to analyze screen elements and extract selectors automatically. No manual inspection required. Let's see how it works. We'll use the same Appium MCP Server by Sergey Gavrilyuk from the previous video. Just ensure it's running by clicking Start. For this demo, I'm using my Automation Practice app, which I built specifically for hands-on automation exercises. You can use it as well. The link is available if you'd like to practice. Here's the prompt we'll use to analyze the app screens and gather the element selectors. This prompt guides MCP to inspect the app end-to-end and output all element selectors in one markdown file. Let's try it out. Make sure you're in Copilot's agent mode. I'm using Claude 4.0 here, but I've tested this MCP server with GPT 4.1, GPT 5, and Claude 4.5, and Claude 4.5 has given me the best results so far. Throughout the workflow, the Appium MCP server prompted me for permission before performing any sensitive action. It successfully logged into the app, navigated through all screens, analyzed each view, and collected the element selector details. In the end, it generated a detailed, well-structured report of all the elements it discovered. Let's look at the markdown file. It includes selectors, their types, and their values for each screen element, and even offers recommendations on which selector strategies to use. You can now plug these directly into your automation scripts, either manually or through the same MCP server. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you.